how to connect card reader to Shopify. So in order to do this, you will need to download the Shopify POS mobile app. You need to do this from within your phone. And once you have logged into your Shopify account here, we will click on the three dots in the bottom right. Then you want to go into settings, click on settings. Now you will scroll down until you see the option set up new device. Choose that one. Then you want to choose the type of device. So you have card reader, receipt printer, barcode scanner. We're going to do card reader. It's going to tell us that we need to set up Shopify payments. So you will set up Shopify payments here. You will need to go through the process for whatever is required of you. And once you complete this setup, then it is going to automatically detect the device and link it to your account and purchases. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.